Okay, so welcome to question 2b, which is also just similar to 2a, which we just solved. So 2b is saying a force acts at the origin of the coordinate system, okay, in the direction defined by the angles beta is equal to 55 degrees and gamma is equal to 45 degrees. Knowing that the x component of the force is negative 500 newtons, determine the angle alpha and then the other components and the magnitude of the force. This is just the same thing as we are from doing. So using brighten this a bit. So we use what color? Green. Okay. So let's just go ahead with it. So using the identity we used in the previous thing to find we want to find the angle alpha. So we'll say cos alpha is equal to the square root of 1 minus cos squared beta, which is 55 degrees, and then again minus cos squared gamma, which is 45 degrees. And here we see that our cos alpha, now let me just do this will be equal to plus or minus 0.41353. Okay, so with this one, then we'll have our alpha. So alpha, again we are on the wrong side of the board. Anyhow, that's fine. Alpha is equal to cos inverse of this. Now, again, before we determine whether it is positive or negative, we see we've been told that the force here, we've been told that the force is negative 500. Okay? So we've been told that the force is negative 500. So obviously, if it is negative, the cos has to be negative. So then we have negative 0.41353. This giving us what exactly our alpha is. So we'll say shift cos inverse of 0.41 negative. We really have to be careful with the signs. The negatives and positives will really screw your answers. So we have 114.43 degrees. That's our alpha. We've determined it. Answer, kaboom. Okay. Now we need to determine the other components. So since we have the negative 500 and we have the 114 there, so now we can determine f, because we have, so our f will be, f is equal to fx, which is negative 500, over cos alpha, which is negative 0.4 1353. Notice this F we are determining is just a magnitude. Okay, so we have 500. This is 1209.10. Yes, and this has to be newtons. Okay, so then if that's the case, then we know that our Fy, which is the other components now, Fy is equal to F cos beta, which is equal to 1209.10 cos 55 degrees, and then this will be equal to okay, so then we are saying cos 55 times so this will be 693.51 newtons. That's our Fy. Okay, our Fz will be equal to F cos gamma, which is equal to 1209.10 cos 45 degrees, and our Fz will be equal to okay, so from here I get 854.96 degrees. No, sorry, newtons. Alright, so let's see, we are done here. So our answers are these, the other components, these are our answers. Thank you.